Hey there, I'd like to share my review and unboxing and even demonstration of the hip replacement kit set. So you have a grabber, you have a shoe horn, you also have a leg lifter, then you have an ice pack and something to even help you get on your socks. So to start off the demonstration, I'll show you how to use the cooling pack. So you just open it up. There's a longer side and a shorter side. So just put the longer side on the top, strap that around the waist, and it was nice and thick and cooling. And then you just have to slip it through the handle, pull it tight, and there's a lot of extra strap there. And then for the lower leg, if you want to attach it, you could simply pull it around the inside of the leg, slip it through, and tighten it. And there you go. It's just as easy to take off. And this could be used for shoulders, many other things. For the grabber, I just, picked a hat up off the floor. It does fold in half. It has a string down the center, so that made that nice. The foot lifter, you just place it over the foot and then pull on it and help elevate the leg. The shoe horn was really nice. Even for just my slip-ons, you can just use it to kind of pull up the top and then slip it up behind your foot, and then you can easily just slide your foot in. So that worked really slick. Then for the sock one, I just took off my slip-on sock, slipped it over to the end. The base of it does have like a little grippier spot to hold that sock into place. And then you're just basically going to hold the ropes, get your foot in there, and then use that to pull. Now, if you pulled your sock up farther on the, sock thing, then you probably could get it all the way on. But